Alright, Mike the Builder video here. It's been over a year since I've done a unboxing of a tool. I just was able to get this from my local Home Depot rep for Milwaukee. And I'll show you what it is. Today we are going to unbox a Milwaukee PACKOUT radio and charger. Item 2950-20. It is the system that you can put on your PACKOUT. There it is. And let's open this bad boy up. First thing that you see when you open the package is the owner operations manual and 2 AAA batteries. Let's do it this way. Nicely packaged. This is pretty heavy. Alright, let's see what this does here. So, it's pretty standard like all the PACKOUT systems. You can pop this right on the box on your rollout. You're able to put the other boxes right up on top of it. Says this thing has 10 speakers, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and maybe there's one back here, 9 and 10. Also has an antenna if you're looking to just use your radio. Right here, which is kind of cool that the other items don't have, like the smaller radio job sites. Job site radios, they don't have the plug, but this you can actually plug it in the wall. And on this side, let's see, charge your battery, set your phone inside, your USB connector, and your auxiliary cord. So that's actually a pretty good feature that they added onto this. I know the other radio, job site radio, you were able to charge also all your 18 batteries on them. This has, I think, 3 different modes. So your radio, your auxiliary, and your Bluetooth mode. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty good weight to it. They say it can handle up to 250 pounds on top of this thing when it's on the rollout. But there you go. Enjoy. Mike the Builder. Subscribe if you want to see some more stuff. Hit me up. Let me know if there's a certain item that you want to go ahead and have us review. We've got many tools that I have not reviewed yet, but we've just been real busy with a bunch of buildings. So if we do get any hit-ups on the channel, we'll go ahead and try to review a bunch of the other tools that we have waiting in our tool shed. Have a great day.